Hi guys! Welcome to IGX Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to add free VPN on Windows 11. First click on the Windows icon and click on the settings. Now click on Network and Ethernet option and then click on VPN option. By default the advanced settings are toggled on. Don't change anything. To add a new VPN, click on the Add VPN button above. By default the VPN provider is set to Windows built-in. Do not change that. In the connection name, enter the name you prefer. Here I am using VPN Book as I am getting the free VPN address from there. Now open your preferred browser and search for vpnbook.com and click on the free VPN option. I will provide the link in the description. Here we are using free PPTP VPN. We are not using free OpenVPN for now. You need to select the VPN address that is closest to your location. For me, the closest location is UK, so I have selected the UK address. Now copy that and paste it in the server name or address tab. Change the VPN type to PPTP. By default, the type of sign-in info would be username and password. There will be some options. Select the one you prefer. Here I am not changing anything. As the username and password are optional, I am leaving them as blank. If you need, you can enter your preferred username and password. Now click on the Save button below. That's it, the VPN is created. To connect to the newly created VPN, click on the Connect button. Enter the username and password. You can find the username and password in the VPN Book website. Enter the credentials and click OK. Now the VPN should be connected. To check whether the VPN is working or not, head to whatismyipaddress.com. It is now showing United Kingdom as the country, as I have used the UK address. So the VPN is working successfully. To change your VPN settings, click on the down arrow and click on the Advanced options. Click on the Edit button beside More VPN Properties. You can change the settings as per your requirement. As my VPN is working perfectly, I am not changing anything here. To disconnect the VPN, click on the Disconnect option present beside the VPN name. To remove the VPN permanently, click on the down arrow and then click on the Remove button. Now click on the Confirm button. That's it, you have successfully removed the VPN.